So today we are going to know how to find out hypotenuse. काटकोना कैसे निकालें. So first example. If the one side is equal to 3 meter, second side is equal to 4 meter. Answer is equal to. Just go to the calculator. And open the scientific mode. Clear the all contents. First you have to put two brackets. Sorry, let me correct. You have to just put under root, then two brackets. First side is a 3. Put 3 bracket close square plus again bracket. Another side is a 4 bracket complete square is equal to. We get answer 5. So we get answer 5 meter. Second example. The first side is equal to 1.5 meter. Second side is 6.5 meter. And what is the answer? The same, just go to the calculator. Open the scientific mode, this one. Again, under root, two brackets, 1.5 bracket close square plus bracket 6.5 bracket close square is equal to 6.670. So answer is 6.670 meter. Also we can read this 6 meter 670 mm. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed it, do subscribe to get a new updates. Thank you.